Hey, baby. What's up, little baby? Aw. Oh, wait. Who's going in the wrong place to go? Okay. Thank you. Oh, you guys are cute. Alright, guys, this is Daisy. She's adorable. She loves you guys. Aw. She's so cute and precious. And that's Pumpkin. He loves you. What are you playing with the camera cord? You are? Oh, that's cute. Aww. Oh, you're just adorable. I love you. Little Daisy. Alright, I can need that back, kitty. Oh, okay. What's going on here? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's little Pumpkin. He's cute. I love him. I love all my kitties. They're just too cute. That's their mom. She's just like, ugh. And there's Ashes playing with the tail again. Whoa there. That is Maxxie. He likes playing with tail. They all love playing with their mom's tail. And in there we have Belle and Lolita. They're just sleeping away. They're probably really tired. Poor things. But these two wrestling. Oh, that's cute. Aww. Woo. There's a kitty. Whoa. Ah! That's not to be gone in. Oh, I love you guys. You're cute. Hey, violence is not condoned here. Come on. Hey, chill down. I love you. Aww. Alright, well, say goodbye, guys. Trying to get the tail.